This is Dickland, some of the funnest glade skiing at Revelstoke Mountain Resort. Aptly named after the man that made it all possible, Justin Dick, a former ski patroller and faller of Revelstoke Mountain Resort. This terrain is undulating, low angle, and it often keeps the snow fresh because it's off the beaten path. As you roll through the terrain and get near the end, it steepens up and becomes more of a pillow field. If you have a chance of finding this, enjoy, because it's some of the funnest terrain you can find on the mountain. Thanks for seeing this diamond in the rough and making it all possible, Justin.